Have you noticed the type of content we see nowadays is changing? What I mean by this is it's less of a grasping for straws, look at me approach, where companies will literally tell anyone about their product or service and how it can help them. Rather, the focus is on drawing people to a brand by being helpful. It's as if brands have a core purpose, something they stand for, and are aligning themselves with people who have similar values. This is inbound marketing. Let's delve into the fundamentals of inbound and how you can incorporate inbound marketing into your own marketing practices. Hey guys, it's Geordie here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Inbound is a business philosophy based around helping people. It encourages a humanistic and personable approach to business, which helps brands create meaningful relationships with strangers, prospects, or customers. This means that inbound businesses are extremely customer-centric. They take special care in understanding their customers' needs and values, and actively seek means of helping them out. Because if the customer is happy, then the business is happy, which helps with company growth in the long term. So what does an inbound approach look like? In a nutshell, the inbound approach works within a framework called the Flywheel, a model developed by HubSpot in 2018. The Flywheel has 3 stages: attract, engage, and delight. During the attract stage, an inbound business is all about attracting prospects and customers. This is done through creating relevant and helpful content. By populating your online platforms with useful content and resources that benefit your prospects, you have the ammo to get found by your ideal target market when they go searching for answers. Also, well-developed content adds value to a person's buying journey by providing them with an opportunity to learn and showcases a brand's level of knowledge and trustworthiness. So you might be wondering what this good, hearty content is that I keep referring to. Well, one example of content is a blog. Blogs are valuable assets that provide solutions to your readers, while also generating brand awareness and affirming your expertise within your industry. If you enjoy this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest videos delivered every single week to your inbox. Moving on to the second stage, engage. This marks the beginning of a brand-customer relationship. This stage is all about building trust and strengthening relationships. Self-service systems like chatbots and live chats are great examples of where customers can seek out what they need on their own terms, while also gaining solutions specific to their situation. Another engage strategy is free trials or guided walkthroughs of your product or service, which makes it easy for prospects to engage with your business and discover firsthand how your product or service can benefit them. Finally, we get to the delight stage of the flywheel, the real force behind an inbound strategy. The delight stage is all about continuing to deliver value to your customer so that they can continue to do business with you and become promoters of your brand. When you have delighted your customers by providing them with an experience that exceeds their expectations, your customers are more likely to tell people they know about your business, essentially promoting your brand and generating referrals. According to a Nielsen study, 92% of consumers around the world say they trust recommendations from trusted sources like friends, family, or colleagues above any other advertising. This means that word of mouth marketing is arguably the most effective and necessary tactic a brand has in its marketing arsenal. Some strategies that you can use to continue to delight your customers include giving your clients the chance to leave peer reviews. Reviews hold significant power in compelling others to engage with your brand. So encourage opportunities for feedback either on your own platforms, on Google, or other relevant industry directories. Even providing testimonials or case studies of successful projects is a great way to showcase your clients and allow them to share why they do business with you. Allow your customers to keep learning from you by continuing to provide valuable resources related to their challenges. Doing so will sway customers to see you as integral to their success and give them more reasons to be ambassadors of your brand. So why a flywheel? Well, the more energy that's put into a flywheel, the faster and longer it continues to spin. A brand can use the momentum and inertia of happy customers to drive referrals, repeat sales, and ultimately keep their company's flywheel spinning. Therefore, by attracting customers who have a problem you can solve, engaging with them on their own terms, and by delighting them at every stage of their buyer's journey, you'll create the momentum that will drive your brand's growth. So there you have it, a little insight into the inbound marketing methodology and how you can use it within your own marketing practices. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with inbound. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. So that's it from me. Happy marketing.